Hi, so today I'm going to talk about traditional Chinese medicine in China, the way that it's viewed in Chinese society. Traditional Chinese medicine has a long history, of course, in China, but however, there's three main modalities of traditional Chinese medicine. The first would be acupuncture, and acupuncture is actually one of those things that is pretty common in the West. It's also common in China too. However, there are some differences. For example, acupuncture in the West, in most Western countries, is becoming a huge industry. Acupuncture is something that, for example, you have a lot of private clinics popping up, for-profit clinics. Actually, in China, it's only done at the hospital, and there's some good reasons for that as well. However, the price, of course, is different. The price for acupuncture in China is going to be about 40 RMB, which in terms of price in dollars would be somewhere around $7 for a treatment. Whereas if you go to the States, you're going to find most acupuncturists will charge probably something in the ballpark of $100, $100, $200 US, something like that. There's also some big differences in terms of who gets acupuncture. Acupuncture is this sort of trendy, chic thing you see in the US. However, in China, it's mainly elderly people who get it. So although you will see some younger people getting acupuncture, however, it's predominantly something that 85% of the people, if you go to an acupuncture clinic, the people you see are actually elderly. Another difference, of course, is the size of the needle. So when you look at acupuncture in the West, at least in the United States, the needle, it's usually based on the Japanese needling technique. And Japanese needles are about half the length and half the diameter. So what I was told when I actually went in the States for acupuncture is the needles are about the same size as a human hair. And that's pretty much it. So there's really no pain going in. However, Chinese needling, the needles they use in China, are usually about this big. So they're quite a bit longer, and they're also thicker in diameter. So there is, if you're not fully relaxed, there definitely is some pain going in. So that is definitely one modality of Chinese medicine that you find quite a bit. However, I tend to think that it's more common in the West than it is in China. You can certainly find it in China, but in China it's done mainly at a hospital. So it's not a trendy thing like it is in the US.